What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Off Earth. We're here painting again. I made the scorpion mask from the new Mortal Kombat movie, and I really wanted to do Sub-Zero as well, so that's what we're going to be painting today. Stay tuned. Alright guys, like I said, we're going to be painting the Sub-Zero mask from the new Mortal Kombat movie. I went ahead and took the liberty of getting this thing all ready for paint. It is in gloss black. I applied this with Duplicolor acrylic lacquer gloss black over their sample primer. And I also have the inserts for the mouth grill and the little nose cover. Now all these were printed on my Epax E10 resin printer at their stock scale. Seems like it'll fit me pretty well. And we're gonna chrome it with the Digital Armory's Duralumin. Sorry, my sticker's peeling off. So we're gonna base these out in chrome, and I already did a test spray of the blue that goes over the little grill piece in the mouth. That's the blue. If I can get the camera to focus on you. There we go. That's the blue. It's from, yet again, another Copic ink. This is the Cobalt blue, so we're going to lay this over the chrome, and that'll be a nice little touch, and then we're going to weather this thing up, so I'm going to take you through the whole process. From gloss black to chrome, adding the blue, and doing a little bit of detail work based off of the reference photos. One of the biggest reasons why I love using the Copic inks over chrome specifically is because of this like anodized effect that you get out of your piece. You know, it doesn't just look like paint, but because it's transparent, you know, you still get that metallic effect through whatever you're painting over, and this just looks like an anodized blue piece for, I don't know, whatever, but it's gonna look amazing on the Sub-Zero mask. So I know this might come out terribly, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the weathering we're gonna do. If you look at the pictures or stills from the movie trailer, you can see there's this like, I don't know, dirt, maybe some kind of burnt metal. It almost looks like oxidization, like it's oxidized here and here down on the chin, as well as some up there. And then we're going to take this middle area down a little bit with a black wash. I'm probably going to end up using some oils, and here over the little nose guard as well. It's washed out. Well, yeah, we're going to try to give this a nice little oxide metal look these little spots here. And we're gonna do that with alcohol inks as well. So I'm gonna start doing that, and I'm gonna talk you through the process as I'm painting. So we've gone over this before, but if you're new here, we'll go over it again. Get some gloves, because this gets messy. Get yourself a little mixing cup. I bought a 200 pack of these cups from CVS. They're great for mixing paints that aren't solvents, because it won't eat through it. You'll need some acrylic, or I'm sorry, you're gonna need some oil. These are oil based. We're doing oil washes. This was a multi-pack that I picked up off of Amazon. I don't know how many colors are in there, like 24, and it was like 12 bucks. And you're gonna need some naphtha, baby. VMNP naphtha. This thins enamels and helps with the drying process of oils, as well as thins oils, so it's nice and runny. So we're gonna take our cup, we're gonna take our oil, and we're gonna do a little stripe on the inside here, just on the rim. You don't need that much, just that much. Just a little bit of that there. Set it down.
Man, what the fuck is this
Get your screwdriver. Pop open your naphtha. You'll need your little brush too. This brush is a tried and true oiling brush. It's oily, it's dirty. Take your cup, pour you in some naphtha. Just enough to coat the bottom. You know, you don't need a whole bunch. I don't know if you can see that or not. Just that much. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the paint. So I'm gonna dip my brush in here and get these bristles nice and ready. I'm gonna take the paint, or we're gonna take the paint. We're just gonna knock it in with the wet brush into the naphtha. Right? All right, you following me? I'm gonna zoom in. Because I want you to see this collect here on this nose guard. Take some of that. I'm just gonna dab it into place. Just right in these corners, you know, we wanna get those corners a little dirty. Little dirty. It'll run, but it has a ridge, so it'll collect. It's fine. And you just do this over and over. Oh, my SD card got full, but I went ahead and did my wipe off. So I wiped that out of there, left behind some oil. And we're gonna do that all over the masks, specifically down in these regions here, because we want to make that stand out a little bit more. We want it to pop, and oil wash is the way to go, baby. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of this. Actually, I'm gonna shoot it in real time and then turn it into a time lapse, but you'll get to see it when it's done.
Man, what the fuck is this
voila. And that's how you call out those little recessed areas and just bring your prop piece to life a little bit more. And there's one more thing we have to do to this before we can call it good, which is some of the faux like rusting that I noticed on the reference material or screenshot that I nabbed off of the movie and lightened it up and blew it up, and it looks like that there's some rust on the Sub-Zero mask, like down here in this area, a little bit over here, and it looks like some maybe up in this area too. I'll throw the screenshot up on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about, and I'm going to start that after this naphtha is good and dry.
Man, what the fuck is Tensei on?